The Texas Mobile STEM Lab visited specialist Rafael Hernando III Middle School, bringing hands-on science, technology, engineering, and math experiences to students. The state-of-the-art mobile lab gave students the opportunity to explore interactive STEM activities designed to spark curiosity and strengthen critical thinking skills through engaging demonstrations and guided lessons. Students learned how STEM concepts apply to real-world careers and everyday problem-solving.
Today the kids learned about ecosystems and the importance of maintaining a balance within an ecosystem, what happens when an invasive species goes into an environment where it doesn't belong. So they're learning how to remove them, how to develop a process through the engineering design process.
This is a good way to see how the world works in the environment, see different strategies and how to save a species so it doesn't become endangered or more endangered. Coming to this lab was probably a blessing because at the same time a lot of kids don't get to experience this, so I feel like this is a blessing.